Hello everyone, today we're going to install Word 6 in VMware. Last version of Word in VMware. Not really nothing to say about it. I mean, there's no Excel for DOS or any PowerPoint for DOS either. It's just Word. Insert the floppy disk for the setup, like I was just doing, they saw me doing. And then connect it, and then go to the A drive. Type in setup.exe. Now you're at this screen. The same thing as we were doing in the VirtualBox version. Needs to know all this, so we're going to set up on a hard disk, install a new version on C. D is actually not the floppy disk, the CD drive. I'll just do it in the default directory, do it in whatever directory you want. Do IBM PC, XT, AT, PS2, or 100% compatible. 286, 386, or 486. I would say this one's safe. IBM PS2 model 50, 60, 70, 80 VGA are compatible. Do not install printer drivers. Install everything else though. Do not update the mouse driver. MSL 7.1 already comes with it. Customize Word settings. Run it in graphics mode. This is your opinion. Your opinion once again. I don't know what the function keys did in either versions. You want insert from scrap. Now, if you have an LCD screen, you choose this option, but if you see 2 shades of blue and 2 shades of red on anything else, like CRTs, a laptop display, then select this option. Like I am, because I have a laptop display. This is your opinion. I'm just going to do letter. Now it needs program 1. And the setup program beeps at you. I don't like that. Now it needs program 2. Update the system files and do install the true type fonts. And then you want utilities. It wants fonts. Understandable, actually. Now it wants printers. We're going to need both the disk images. This should be the last. Here you go. The executables word.exe in this folder that we're in. Whatever folder it'd be for you. For me, it's the Word directory. Just type in word.exe, and there you go. It should look like this when you're done. If you even like Word for DOS at all. Anyway, how you exit is through the file menu, then there's the exit Word command. Bye.